Dave's got the camera out.
God almighty, you came down. Let these two stoner fucks live.
What's gonna happen? Dave's gonna have this shit out. He's gonna do a documentary on it. He's gonna make millions of dollars. You got fucking
And it was kind of foggy out. Rooney was doing maybe 40 miles an hour right by Jimbo's house. And we're driving. We're cocked out of our mind. And all of a sudden, the fog kind of goes away and there's a guardrail right in front of us. So Rooney smacks the shit out of this guardrail. We go flying fucking sideways. I go across the car over the e-brake and slam him into the door and his head into the window. By the time we get back to 4th Street, we're both discombobulated like a motherfucker. Sore as a bastard. He's got holes in his car. And I don't mean like dents. He has tears in his car. It looks like Wolverine went at this fucking thing. Just all fucked up.
So Rooney, how the fuck did you crash your car?
Smog. Smog in T-Town is a bitch.
Fog, not smog.
Same thing.
This isn't fucking Compton, it's
Hey,
Terry's
it's
fog.
heavy. It was heavy as shit. That wasn't fog, that was smog.
It was fucking fog.
Hey, so what caused the whole thing?
Windshield wipers at the same
10
time as
feet.
the fucking
10 feet is what caused it.
10 feet, and it was wicked foggy. Dude,
How fast were you
I
going?
wasn't coming.
35.
35.
I don't fucking. I
35.
I wasn't fucking flying.
know.
It just
I'm gonna
happened.
find out
And I
when
fuck
I
myself
die.
every time.
You know what I mean?
You don't
If I
look
do
like
something
land
wrong,
markers and
I'm
shit?
going to hell.
No, dude, seriously.